In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the project URL in Lovable. Whether you're new to Lovable or just need a quick refresher, I'll walk you through each step so you can easily navigate and find your project links. To start, you'll need to head over to the Lovable website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL lovable.dev. Once the page loads, you'll see a clean and straightforward login page. To proceed, you'll want to click on the Login button. This is a very intuitive step, as most online platforms require you to log in to access your personalized settings and projects. Once you see the login options, go ahead and click on Continue with Google. This simplifies the process by utilizing your Google account credentials, making it quick and efficient. After selecting the Google option, you'll be directed to a screen where you can choose your account. If you're already signed into a Google account on your browser, it should appear right away. Select your account, and in just a few seconds, you'll be logged into Lovable. If you have multiple Google accounts, be mindful to pick the one associated with your Lovable projects to avoid any confusion. Now that you're logged in, it's time to locate your projects. Look through the dashboard and find the project you wish to obtain the URL for. Click on it to open the project's main page. This section will give you detailed insight into your project settings and status. It's great to familiarize yourself with the layout, since being organized will help you manage multiple projects effortlessly. Next, you'll find an option labeled Publish on your project page. Click on it and a small window will pop up. This window is crucial because it displays the default website address for your project. Typically, this is in the format of project URL slug.lovable.app. It's user-friendly and allows for easy sharing with colleagues, collaborators, or clients who need to view or test your project. Once you have the URL in front of you, simply copy it. You can do this by highlighting the website address and using either right-clicking your mouse to select Copy, or pressing Ctrl+C on your keyboard if you're on a PC, or Command+C on a Mac. From there, you're all set to share this link as needed, or keep it bookmarked for easy access later. That's it. You've successfully accessed and copied your project URL from Lovable. It's a straightforward process, but having this URL handy saves time when you need to share or access your project quickly. Whether you're working solo or within a team, knowing how to find and use project URLs efficiently is an essential skill that can streamline your workflow. Thank you for following along, and as always, feel free to reach out if you have any further questions or need a bit more guidance.